Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to have a closer look at the Crkt Dextro. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you feel like purchasing a Crkt Dextro, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's start off with the size comparisons. This will just give you an idea of what that might feel like in your hand. Alright, this is definitely a larger folder. And open up the blade there. That's what that looks like there. Just to give you an idea of what the handle width is like. Alright, so there you go. And then let's have a look at the spine area here. So here is a pair of chopsticks. This is the thinner side. Okay, there's that. So it's probably more in line with the thickness of a pair of chopsticks. And then for those that are interested just in measurements, there's a ruler. So what do you got over there? Like 7.5 inches here. Close to 8. Blade about 3.5, maybe 3 3 3/4. And then closed up. Let's see. Just about 4.5 inches. Alright, getting it on the scale, Dextro weighs about 4.8 ounces. And just for a weight reference, a deck of cards comes in at right around 3.4 ounces. So heavier than a full deck of cards. Dextro can be opened two different ways. We have a flipper opener here. No jimping. And there are the dual thumb studs. So of course the flipper works just like that. Flies right open. Right around to a liner lock on the inside. And then the other way is by thumb stud. So you can grip it like this and turn it like that. Or you can use the flick method where you just kind of build up that tension on the detent on the inside. And it just flies open. Of course, you got the nice, beautiful Ikbs bearing system. And I love that green accent ring right around the pivot area. And up front, we got a drop point blade profile. Black titanium nitride finish. People love that black finish on there. Love it, love it, love it. Little sharpening choil down here at the bottom where the flipper is. Edge type is pretty much plain, so it's pretty flat. Right up until it hits the shoulder, it's pretty flat. And then you get your edge down there at the bottom. Love that black finish. Alright, just going to flip this around so we can have a look at the spine. I just want to point out, look at how thick the bar stock is. That's so thick. Here's a nickel. Okay, you know how thick a nickel is. It's like maybe 2.5 nickels stacked on each other. This is using D2 steel. So it's going to take a really nasty sharp edge. It's going to last for a really long time. Let's have a look at these beautiful black aluminum handles. Look at that. Nice beveling on top here. Really shaped nicely for your thumb here when it's open. And you got a nice finger choil right up front here. So right here and right here. That feels natural in the hand. Look at that. Even when you hammer grip it like that. Really comfortable in the hand. Beautifully done. Oh, yeah. Got a matching aluminum backspacer to that front ring. I love the way that looks. Check that out. You can see it through the lanyard hole there. Nicely done. Like that shape in here. There's a look at the pocket clip. So this is non-reversible. You can't flip it to the other side. So this is tip up, right hand carry only. Man, it just flies open. I also really like the fact that it's matching hardware. The torque screws, the pocket clip, matches the handle. I like when everything just kind of blends in together. Let's have a look at what this pocket clip is going to look like here. All right. How deep will it go? All right, that's what it's going to look like in your pocket. And just in case you're wondering how sharp the Dextro is coming out of the box. Ooh. Pretty sharp. Well, alright guys, this has been the Crkt Dextro. Really quick opening Ikbs bearing system, drop point blade design. You got this beautiful black titanium nitride, and it is razor sharp coming out of the box. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase a Dextro, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.